my god, you guys, I'm pretty much exploding on the inside right now. I've had this box for probably like 2 weeks and I have been dying to open it. I've had it and I've been just saving it to like open on camera so that everybody can see my first impressions and what's inside and all that good stuff. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna open this box and show you guys what's inside, and then I'm going to put a face on with all the things in here. We've got a Tarteist Pro Glow highlighter of some sort. Ooh, this is a liquid highlighter. Okay, okay. Next, we've got a high definition liquid lipstick by Adesse. I've never tried any of their products, so I don't really know what to expect with this. Next, oh my god, I didn't even realize. So when I saw the previews for this box on BOXYCHARM, I was like, I hope I get the My Little Pony palette, and I got the My Little Pony Colourpop palette. I am stoked. I just realized I picked up something else that I was about to share from my box, and then I saw this. Got a little too excited. It's so pretty. Oh my gosh. Okay, so I've never used any Colourpop eyeshadows before. I bought a couple, but I have not used them still, and I'm just dying to try their eyeshadows. I've heard a lot of good things about them. They're really cheap, and they've got some really pretty colors too. So this is the product that I was picking up that I ended up throwing because I got distracted. It is a Pores No More Vacuum Cleaner Mask by Dr. Brandt. Pretty cool. Next, we're gonna have this Browgal tinted brow gel with microfibers. This probably won't be beneficial to me whatsoever because I shave half of my eyebrows off, so I don't really have an eyebrow to put this on top of. So I probably won't be using this. Alright you guys, now that we've got this BOXYCHARM box opened up, let's put a face on with all these things. Okay guys, so this is the final look with all the BOXYCHARM products in this month's box, minus the mask. I didn't use that clearly yet. My first impression of this liquid lipstick was I kind of really didn't expect it to be so super sticky. The application itself was really easy. The applicator was a little bit flimsy. That was kind of tricky to work with. I don't really wear lip glosses, but the color is really nice, so we'll see how long it lasts throughout the day. As far as this liquid highlighter goes, I've never used a liquid highlighter. I probably won't use one again unless I don't have foundation on, or, you know, or really any makeup and just want to glow. I feel like this did not go on the way that I wanted it to, or the way that normal highlighter goes on. I had to put a highlighter on top of it, and now I'm like extra glowing. I look a little crazy, but whatever. As far as the palette goes, I really enjoyed this. This was probably my favorite thing in the entire box so far, considering I don't have a opinion about this yet, or this. I'm probably not going to use this, like I said. Overall, this month's BOXYCHARM box, this was my favorite thing in it. The colors went on really nice. Everything was just super pretty. I was absolutely blown away with this white color underneath the brow bone that I put there. It was like so poppin'. Didn't expect that at all. Can't wait to try some of the other colors in here. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Hope to see you next time. Bye!